Okay, YouTube, today I'm going to just weld that nut to the plate that I drilled last time and do that with all four of them. I'll have to do them all in a time lapse because I need to put a mask on, so the camera's going to have to come off my head. Okay, my little welder was struggling with that a little bit, but they're okay. They're stuck together at least. Just chip off the slag. See, they're okay. Problems I had were when I was starting out. The weld is maxed out at 80 amps. Now that's a little bit small for 6mm plate really, but it's fine. I mean, the rest of the weld is good. Cool. There we go. All four done. Now I gotta stick that to the leg. Alright, YouTubes, thanks for watching.